Hello everyone, I'm here to wish all of my American friends happy Thanksgiving. Of course we don't celebrate that here in the UK. We do have a harvest festival in September, but it's nowhere near as big as Thanksgiving in America. So I realise how important it is to you all and what a big family time it is. And usually I'll post one of my turkey mosaics at this time of year to say happy Thanksgiving everyone. And this year's no exception. I've made this one. It's actually a mosaic joke because it's a pun on Opus Circumactum, the fans, the Roman fans. And you'll see these designs, for instance, in the brick pavements in Ravenna, in the pebble mosaics in Lisbon, Portugal, all over. Here in the UK, you'll see them in our shop fronts. It's very popular in Victorian times, and a lot of them still exist. So next time you go shopping in the UK, look down and you may see one. This is supposed to be funny, but so far nobody's laughed apart from me. It's a bit like that conundrum. If a tree falls in a forest and nobody hears it, does it still make a noise? Anyway, it only remains for me to say, Happy Thanksgiving, everybody!